Are you tired of not knowing how to cook? क्या आपके कोलगेट में नमक है? By just cooking. Can you please keep quiet? Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cook biryani in the most simplest way. This recipe was taught to me by my mom. So yeah, she's going to help me as well in the video because I cannot take a video and also cook at the same time. But yes, this is going to be so easy. So if you don't know how to cook and you're new to cooking and you want to impress people, and since Ramadan is coming, you can definitely cook this. Okay, so the ingredients that you'll be needing is 2 fried onions, 3 potatoes as preferred, 2 kgs of chicken, 1 kg of rice, 3 tomatoes, 1 onion, 5 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 cup coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and 8 chilies as preferred. If you like it spicy, you can add more, and if you don't like spicy, you can lessen it up. Next up is the spices. So you add 1 tablespoon of chili powder and 1.5 tablespoon of black pepper and 1.5 tablespoon of color powder and biryani masala 3 tablespoons. And then after that add salt as preferred to your chicken. Once done, you have to add the chili powder, the black pepper, and add the color powder, add biryani masala and the ginger garlic paste, and then yogurt. Yogurt is the most important part of this whole dish actually. So mix it well, mix, and after you're done mixing, add the potatoes. So you add the potatoes after you've done mixing, or you can just add the potatoes and then mix it all together. I think this is easier, so here, and then put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. The more you keep it, the better. Till then, add 4 tablespoons of ghee or oil as you prefer, and then add the onions, then add the tomatoes, and then the chopped coriander leaves as shown. After once the chicken's done marinating, just take it out and do as shown. Add chili, yes, just mix it and cover it and keep it. Once everything is boiled, add the rice and mix it, and add hot water till the top level, like everything should be covered, and just cover it and keep it till the rice comes up. Till then you add the fried onions that we kept apart and the chopped coriander leaves, just for the toppings, just for making it look nice, and then cover it and keep it till it is heated and everything is cooked. After that, take it apart and then just mix it well. It's up to you. If you want to mix it, you can mix it. If you don't want to mix it, you can just leave and skip this part as well, but we prefer mixing it, so here I'm mixing it. A quick optional salad which you can make. Only thing that you need is cucumber, carrot, onions, and chili, yogurt. That's it. So add the cucumber, then add the onions, add the carrot and chili, and here is the final look. I will be adding all the ingredients and the steps in my description.